Have you ever tried making a great stir-fry at home, only to end up with vegetables that turn soggy, meat that doesn't sear properly, or a pan that's simply too small for the job? The truth is, your cookware can make a bigger difference than your recipe. So today, we're finding out whether the Kaqinu 14-piece carbon steel wok set is actually a worthwhile upgrade or just another oversized cookware bundle. The Kaqinu carbon steel wok set is designed for home cooks who love preparing Asian-inspired dishes, but also want a versatile pan that can handle everyday meals. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables, searing steak, deep frying, steaming, or making fried rice for the family, this wok promises to do it all. Even better, it includes a full collection of cooking utensils, making it an attractive option for first-time buyers or anyone looking to replace older cookware. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the wok makes a good first impression. The black carbon steel finish gives it an authentic look that's closer to what you'd expect from traditional wok cooking than many standard nonstick pans. The included wooden lid adds a nice touch, and the collection of utensils means you don't immediately need to buy additional accessories. The detachable wooden handle feels comfortable in the hand, stays cooler during cooking, and can be removed when using the wok in the oven or when storing it in a smaller cabinet. Little details like the hanging loop and pouring spout also make everyday cooking feel more convenient. One of the biggest advantages of carbon steel is how quickly it responds to heat, and that's exactly what you'll notice here. The wok heats up fast and distributes heat efficiently across the cooking surface, helping ingredients cook quickly instead of steaming. That's especially important for stir-frying, where high heat helps vegetables stay crisp and meats develop better browning. Over time, with proper seasoning and regular use, the cooking surface develops a natural non-stick layer without relying on chemical coatings. That's a feature many experienced home cooks genuinely appreciate. In everyday use, this wok feels surprisingly versatile. The 12.6-inch size comfortably handles meals for 3 to 5 people, making it practical for both weeknight dinners and small family gatherings. Beyond stir-fries, it's equally capable of preparing noodles, soups, fried rice, steamed vegetables, braised dishes, or even light deep frying. The flat bottom design is another major advantage because it works on gas, electric, halogen, and induction cooktops without requiring a specialized burner. Cleaning isn't difficult, but it does require a little more attention than traditional nonstick cookware. Carbon steel performs best when it's hand-washed, thoroughly dried, and lightly coated with cooking oil after each use to prevent rust and maintain its seasoning. While that may sound like extra work at first, many home cooks quickly turn it into a simple habit that only takes a minute or two. In return, you're rewarded with cookware that can last for many years when properly maintained. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. This isn't a maintenance-free pan, so anyone expecting dishwasher-safe convenience may find the care routine less appealing. New users also need to season the wok properly before achieving its best natural nonstick performance. Fortunately, once it's broken in, cooking becomes noticeably smoother and cleanup gets easier over time. Compared with many similarly priced wok sets, the Kaqinu package stands out because it includes nearly everything needed to start cooking immediately. Many competing carbon steel woks only include the pan itself, while this set bundles useful utensils, a lid, an apron, a wok ring, and several serving tools. That makes it especially appealing for beginners or anyone building a kitchen from scratch. Overall, the Kaqinu 14-piece carbon steel wok set offers impressive value for its price. It's ideal for home cooks who enjoy Asian cuisine, families looking for a versatile, everyday cooking pan, or anyone interested in learning authentic wok cooking without spending premium prices. If you're looking for a truly maintenance-free non-stick pan, there may be better options. But if you appreciate durable cookware that improves with use, this set is definitely worth considering. If you're ready to cook restaurant-style stir-fries, flavorful fried rice, and countless other meals with a single versatile pan, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides.